I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean being people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So if you guys are having a nice week so far, mine is going well. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who entered mine and Laurie's giveaway. If you didn't see it, Laurie posted the winner on her channel. I will obviously have that winner listed below in the pinned comments. So congratulations to whomever that is. Obviously, I shot this video ahead of time before I knew who won, since Laurie did the drawing. So congratulations. I'm so excited. Either you can reach out to me so I can find out where to mail your winnings to, or if you left your information in the comments in the last video, I will contact you. Either way, I'm so excited to be sending you your winnings. So it's so exciting. I'm really excited. That was my first giveaway. So I'm hoping to start doing some more in the future. Just because I think it's fun to like give stuff to people. I mean, who doesn't? It's just a good thing. It's a kind thing. So anyway, for this video, I thought I would show what I got in my Birchbox. I came home today and my Birchbox is here, which was nice. Last month it came like super late, which I mean isn't a big deal, which is really weird because Birchbox never comes like that late. Like it was like in like the last week of January. It was so weird. So this is it. They always have pretty boxes. And then it has the official pause button hall pass for, and then you put your name and then it like treat yourself to all these different things, which is kind of cute. Then they have on the back is what you get in your box. So the first thing I got, so this eyeshadow is from Ditto Cosmetics and it's their Ice Cube eyeshadow in Guilty Pleasure. And the full size goes for $7.99. It says, have a little fun with this eyeshadow that delivers high pigment in a single stroke. It's easy to blend and can be applied with just your finger or a brush if you prefer. I think it looks really pretty. I am definitely going to try and do something with it. You know what? I am going to open it up. Alright, this opens up really easy. It actually opened up really easy. So it looks like this. Oh, that's so pretty. And then it's like one of those speckly type of things. And then the color looks like that. Ooh. Oh, very pretty. That's a color I can do a lot with. So I will definitely be using that. It's felt really nice in the swatch. It felt nice and creamy and soft. It obviously swatched really nice. So I have high hopes that it'll perform well. So the next thing I got was this. Is it Oribe or Oribe? I'm so sorry. I should know how to pronounce these things and I don't. It's their Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. Then I got the Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment for your hair, which is from, I guess it's from Nature Lab Tokyo. I love leave-in treatments for your hair, especially because I obviously lighten my hair and I do tone it and color it, so it's always good to have some good like treatments to keep my hair moisturized and really keep the damage from bleaching my hair at a minimal amount. I like said that really weird because I kind of lost train of thought of where I was going with that, which I mean, if you watch my channel, you know that that's nothing new. My hair is actually, I've said this before, naturally blonde. It's just dark blonde and I just prefer it lighter. It used to be like lighter than this when I was like a little kid, and then like most blondes, or a lot of blondes I should say, it got darker as I got older. Then I got, this looks adorable. This is the Estate Cosmetics Lip Icing in the color Glazed. Full size, this non-sticky gloss leaves lips with a beautiful semi-sheer shine for your lips but better effect. Use on bare lips or top over your favorite lip color for a glossy finish. The full size on this retails for $10. I forgot to say the Nature Lab Tokyo, the leave-in treatment $16, and the Oribe Plumping Mousse $39. I don't know why I'm still holding this. Oh, this looks very pretty. Looks like this. Very nice. I love the whole, it looks like I don't know, like frosting whole thing. I guess I kind of like Beauty Bakery, which is a brand that I definitely want to try that I haven't tried yet. And then the final thing that I got was this from Marcel Hydrating Mask. This refreshing gel mask deeply hydrates and renews skin with a blend of hyaluronic acid, which serves as a moisture magnet, and Pacific seaweed, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth, and the full size of this retails for $19. I love masks, so I am definitely excited to try this. I usually get a mask at least like every other month with my Birchbox, and it's kind of nice to get the sample sizes because I can use them up faster. And sometimes, like if I'm just not like crazy about it, I don't want like a full size. If it was something I probably wouldn't have bought anyway, it's nice to just have this smaller one. This way I can use it up and actually like see how it works. So that is what I got in my Birchbox this month. Let me know if you get Birchbox. If you did, what did you get? Did you like what you got? Did you not like what you got? Did you get anything similar to mine? I'm usually pretty happy with what I get in my Birchbox. I mean, it is only sample sizes, but every once in a while they do send you like the lip gloss is a full size. That single shadow is a full size single shadow. I don't know if it comes in like a palette normally, but it's nice, and I like it because, like I said earlier, it's sample sizes, so like you can go through stuff like faster and test stuff out without having the full size. And if you don't really love it, you're not having this like full size item that's going to end up going bad or getting wasted because you know, expiration date's going to happen because you don't use it as often because you don't love it and you don't have someone to pass it on to or whatever. For my makeup today, because I didn't do it on camera, I finally tried my HipDot palette that I got in I forgot which month it was, but it was from BoxyCharm, and it just looked so pretty. So I finally tried this today. I absolutely loved it. It worked really, really, really nicely. I used the color Sacred, Goddess, Tulum, I'm sorry, Subsurface, Cave, and Rain on my eyes to create this look, which I thought came out really nice. I found the shadows to perform really, really well. The mattes were nice and creamy and they blended out really easily. The satin like metallics were really nice. The one Goddess, the green one, I did wet my brush, but I don't think you always have to, but it went on really beautifully with my brush wet. And then the other color that I put over it, which was the Tulum, was really nice as well. I just wanted to darken it up a little bit, but I really liked it, and I don't really have any creasing. I found it to be nice. I've only seen a lot of like really good reviews on it, so this was my first experience with HipDot. It was one of those brands that was like on my list. I'm like, oh, eventually I have to try it. And then when it came in my BoxyCharm, I was like, oh, this is awesome. So it was great to try it, and I'm really, really happy. So I will keep it on my list of brands to look into in the future for more products. Another thing I wanted to mention today was because I had to go to Walmart to pick up some stuff, and I went over, of course, in their makeup section because I'm terrible, and Hard Candy is doing this like Marilyn Monroe kind of thing. It might be old, who knows, like I don't always pay attention, but they had this like really pretty I'll show you. This is actually the lip gloss that I'm wearing, or a lipstick. It's a Dripping in Diamonds Hydrating Lip Balm. It looks like this, the package, which is really pretty. But look at the container. So pretty. I loved it. And it was only like, I think $5. And it looks like this. It's this color right here. And it's just really, really pretty. It's a really soft color. It smells. It kind of reminds me of when you're a kid and there was like that cherry or strawberry like lip balm. Kind of smells like that, which I don't totally hate because it gives me a cool nostalgic feeling, but it feels really, really nice on my lips, and you don't smell it like after the first time you like touch it to your lips, it's like gone. So I wouldn't find it to be too much of a problem if you're really sensitive to smells, because it does go away pretty fast. And then I had to pick this up because I'm terrible as well. It's just a really blinged out eyelash curler. Because it's so pretty, and I mean, you always can use more than one eyelash curler. So yeah. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I am not one of the cool kids, but that is okay. I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I also send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!